24-hour mechanical connection. You've probably seen these before on a wall. They used to have a plug sometimes in the back. Oh, dropped the box. But this one's pretty neat because it has this little tether here. So you plug this in your wall and you can have two things plugged in. So this control two things. It could be lights, it could be all kinds of pumps, all kinds of things. It's got instructions in here that tell you exactly how to use it, but it's pretty straightforward. It's a little confusing when you first look at it. And one thing to mention is you can use the timer or you can manually override it with this little switch here on and off. But if you want to use a timer, basically what you do is you set the current time. There's a little button there. It says current time. And then when you want it to be off, basically you push down all the times that you want it to be off. So if I want it to be off here, this will all be off and then it'll turn on. So in this case, I can have it on from 1, since I don't have it pushed here, it'll be on from 1 o'clock all the way to about noon, right? And this will basically slowly go through the day. Each one of these is an hour. I hope that makes sense. And it'll turn on and off automatically for you, just like those old time timers, except this has kind of got a new flair to it. All right, there it is. Pretty cool. This is the box it comes in. Comes with really good instructions, but pretty straightforward, and has this nice cap over it so, you know, little kids can't play with it. If they do, it's not the end of the world because you can reset it real easily. There you go.